Excited to wear this. I have a new one, guys, a new bikinis. I'm so excited of this, guys. OMG, I feel so happy of my order, guys, because it's very nice. I really like it, guys. The style, guys, is very nice. Look, guys, I'm so excited to wear this. OMG. Feeling ano naman ako like, guys, I feel so beautiful wearing this. Wearing this, guys, I love it so much. I love it, guys. This one, the blue color, guys, the blue color, OMG. I buy this, guys, for you know what, 80 pesos each. Oh my god, a little bit expensive, but that's okay. It's worth it, guys. Look, a very nice, guys. It's a medium size. It's a medium size, guys, but medyo I feel disappointed lang, guys, because of the but it's okay. The red color, one of my favorite, guys. I really love it. Pack na pack to siya, guys. I'm ready for my for my honeymoon. I'm ready for my guys. I'm ready for my vacation because ayan, we're going to the beach. We're going to the beach, guys, and I need this. I need this, guys, for my outfit. So this one, guys, 4 pieces for 350 pesos. A little bit expensive, guys, but it's okay. But it's okay, guys, because I really love bikinis. I really love bikinis, guys, and also swimsuits. I love it, and also dresses, guys. So this is my pambahay outfit for today, guys. I really love this, guys. My crop top, I buy this for only 50 pesos, guys. Diba? I really love it. One of my fashion, guys. One of my favorite color is a maroon color. I really love it. Siya pack na pack siya, guys. Because it's so hot here in the Philippines, guys, and I need to wear a sleeveless. I need to wear like this, guys, because it's so hot. The weather here in Philippines, guys, it's very hot. You need to wear a sleeveless like this. So that you feel comfortable. You feel comfortable, guys, because of the sun. It's open lang siya, guys. So I'm so happy today, guys, because my order is arrived. My order is arrived, guys, and I wanna fit this later. So that's it for today, guys. I'm so happy on my order, and I feel so beautiful today.